welcome back. Today we'll be making a vegan shepherd's pie that's healthy and gluten-free. It's also very delicious and perfect for when you want to feel cozy after a long day. We'll begin by preparing the firm tofu. So to do this, we're going to pour out excess liquid that has gathered up in the tofu packaging. We also want to remove excess moisture from the tofu, so to do this, place the tofu block on top of 2 sheets of paper towels and then place 2 more sheets of paper towels on top of the tofu. Then apply pressure to the tofu to squeeze out the excess liquid. To do this, I'm going to place 2 ceramic plates and a glass bowl on top of the tofu. However, you can use a saucepan with tins inside of it or a thick book, just anything that's going to place pressure on the tofu, and allow this to sit for half an hour. In the meantime, we'll start to prepare the filling for the shepherd's pie. So, boil 2 large sweet potatoes for 20 minutes or until the potatoes have become tender. And then to prepare the remaining filling of the shepherd's pie, we're going to slice 2 tomatoes and peel 2 carrots, or you can keep the skin on if you like it this way. And slice the carrots into round pieces. Next, slice up 3 garlic cloves and an onion. And in a pan over low heat, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil or coconut oil. Saute the garlic and onions for 7 to 10 minutes or until they have darkened slightly. Then to this, add the carrots and tomatoes and give this a stir. Also add in the rosemary, thyme, black pepper and salt, sea salt. You can also use any spices of your choice. Stir this in and cook this for 10 minutes or until everything has softened, and then turn the heat off once it has been cooked. Once the tofu has been sitting for half an hour, we're going to slice it into cubed pieces and then crush it using a fork. You don't have to crush it completely, it's okay if there are larger tofu pieces that remain here. Returning to the stovetop now, we're going to turn the heat to medium and stir the tofu into the pan with the vegetables. Crush the tofu and stir it in at the same time until the tofu begins to crumble. And once the texture looks like this, turn the heat off. Then in a large bowl, crush all the potatoes. I'm also using a fork to break down parts of the potato that are quite hard to crush. And once the potatoes have been crushed well, add some almond milk, or you can use any dairy-free milk of your choice. Thoroughly mix the milk into the potatoes until the texture has softened and looks like this. And finally, we're going to transfer the tofu and vegetable filling to the baking dish that has been greased with vegan butter. Place the crushed potatoes on top of the vegetable and tofu filling, and then using a spoon, smoothen out the potatoes until they're evenly spread out. And we're going to bake this for 30 to 40 minutes. You'll notice that the shepherd's pie has baked when the potato layer on top has darkened slightly and looks like this. And now you can share and enjoy this delicious shepherd's pie with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.